Hello everyone and welcome back to the voiceover. Today we're in my bathroom with our little gudetama and cherry blossom in the back for some fun. So we're going to be creating this look today, one of the first looks in my Doja Cat Say So makeup miniseries. Yeah, that's what it is. Sorry, forgive me if I make any mistakes. My cat is screaming randomly and it's a little bit late at night. But yeah, my first mistake with this base was putting on heavy products that my skin does not like. For the base, everything is very matte, smooth, and kind of a little bit powdery. So I recommend that you have a nice bright under eye, even base, and kind of a little bit of a orange blush tone. Other than that, where the focus is getting your eyes as big as possible, basically. So don't really worry about the base. Use what products you have as well. You don't have to go out and buy anything. I'm also going to leave some links for other Doja Cat Say So recreation videos because a lot of people did the blue look, which I really love. And now more than ever is the perfect time to support smaller creators who have more or less subscribers than myself. But yeah, go check them out. Maybe you'll find someone new. Maybe you'll find someone you'd like to subscribe to. But let's get into the rest of the base. Yeah, I had a horrible time blending this out because I forget that my skin hates heavy products and it hates a lot of makeup, and that's exactly what I did. I put on way too much makeup. In the next video that I filmed, actually I used a lot less products and the skin looks a lot better and a lot more natural. This just looks really heavy and cakey. And also I'm gonna try to switch the place where I film my videos for makeups because this it just looks really bad and really cakey, and I promise you when I took the pictures, I'll pop them up from my Instagram, it does not look this bad in real life. The lighting is just way too harsh in my bathroom. But yeah, she kind of has an orange pinkish blush, so if you have that, definitely use it. Also, if you have any blush wrecks, please let me know. I use eyeshadow and it's kind of hard to blend out because it's so pigmented and it's so color, and it doesn't like to move as soon as it's on the skin. So hit me up if you have any good blushes. But yeah, I kind of went in with a little bit of a foil highlight just because it seems like the focus is a strong light under eye. The eye makeup actually isn't that hard. You really just want to go in with a big chunky wing, a heavily lined black under eye, not under eye, what am I trying to say? A heavily lined waterline and a little bit on your lash line as well. And she kind of looked like she just had a little bit of a foil or a shimmer shadow in her crease. That's exactly what I did. Super simple, super easy. That's all as far as eyeshadow. She also has a super thick pop of white in her waterline. Exactly. I made the fatal mistake of trying to use liquid liner for the waterline portion and lash line portion of this. So do as I say and not as I do, because it literally took me about 3 micellar soaked cotton pads to take it off. But yeah, if you have a straight liner brush or just a smudge brush, go in with a white pencil liner first, or liquid liner if your waterline is fine with that, and just pack it on so you can get your eyes as big as you possibly can. But that's all that the look is essentially. If there's anything else, I'll just write it in the captions. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will do a more thorough one on the next video. I just don't want my cat to scream and ruin the voiceover. But thanks you guys for watching as far as you did, and I'll see you in the next video.